Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I got a request from Anonymous who said I would like it if you would create a silver blue cut Crease Smokey eye with just one blue shade and make it more detailed but on a 5 minutes budget. So I bring it to you. So if today is the first time in my channel, I say a big welcome to you. Please do subscribe and share my videos to friends and family, as it's gonna really help grow my channel. Thank you so much. Let's get down to the video, guys. So I wanted to try something different, and I use this black eye pencil for my eyebrows, and I'm using Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm priming my eyelids with that. I'm actually using my hands because I want to remove excess from it. This is so not my color, guys. And I'm going in with my MK signature palette. I'm using that dark navy blue color I just showed you. I'm trying to make it a warm blue color something as requested. So I'm going to pack this my outer corner and around my crease line just a bit. I went in with this shade like 3 times, guys. That's the outlook. So I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm going in to blend everything in. So as I'm doing this, I started noticing something. I started noticing that I was actually distributing this color but in a lighter shade all through my eyelids, and it was like I went in with a lighter blue, darker blue, lighter blue, darker blue, or something like that. But it looks good, and it actually looks a bit smooth. Yeah, it looks smooth. So I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use my Pro Concealer, Illegal Pro Concealer in a shade medium beige, and I'm going to cut my crease. So guys, the best way to create to cut your crease is by following your natural crease line. That is just the best way. I can't stress that enough. Just go in with your natural crease line. From the inner corner of your eyes, you have to create that crease, an outline actually. Then around the middle part, you have to raise the brush up a bit. Then you come down again around that outer corner side, and that's just it. That's just how you create your crease. So after doing this, you have to blend everything in to make it smooth and fine. So this is what I just did. And while you're doing this, you notice that there are some areas that are not very straight. I mean, has some rough edges to it. So the best thing you have to do is just go back in and using the residue from your brush, you just have to blend it to be on a straight look. So I'm going in with my Sleek Makeup Full Exposure palette, and I'm going to use these 3 colors I'm showing you. You guys keep watching and you see how I make use of this color. So I'm going in with that silver look, the silver color. I'm going to pack this around that inner corner part of my crease. And after this, I'm going to blend it all out to make it look smooth and beautiful. So I'm going in now with the brown shade. I love this brown shade. It really looks good. So I'm going in with it, and I'm going to brush it in, including the silver color. I'm going to brush everything in. Yeah, so as I'm doing this, you see that it's getting more shinier. The more you blend it, the more shiny it is, and the more good and smooth it looks to the eyes. So now I'm going in with that blue color. I really love this color. I've never used it before, and using it today, I just love it. So I'm going in with that blue color. It looks a bit dark, but not very dark. It's just blue. So I'm using that color, and I'm going to apply it at my end look. So I'm going in with that brown color because it doesn't match very well. It's actually still not smooth. So I'm using that color to make it more smoother, and that is the end look, guys. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I finished the end of the look off camera because I was actually trying to follow the budget. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share my video, like, give me a big thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much, and I will bring the best videos to you. So let me know if you have any other look you would want me to try out at the comment down below. And please, this time around, don't ask me to make it anonymous. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.